Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Today we're looking at our part number Og339. Now this element is a 2100 watt circular fan oven element, and I'm going to be doing a 360 rotational view to help you get all the measurements correct. We'll also be going through the test procedure later for testing the element and the ohms reading that you should have if the element is correct.
A lot of people get confused when purchasing a fan oven element, and I do understand why, as this element fits 92 different brands of cooker and oven, which also fits 729 different models of actual appliance. There are 3 different manufacturers' part numbers depending on where you're purchasing it from, but our Og339 is compatible with all these. Now the actual overall length of the element is between 195mm and 205mm depending on the batch run when it was manufactured. The internal diameter, which is the part which needs to clear the fan blade, is approximately 192mm. Now we'll come round and have a look at the mounting plate. The mounting plate is quite easy to fix. There are only 2 screws to hold this element in place. Now the width of the actual plate is 22mm and the length of the plate is 70mm. The hole centres for the mounting screws are 56mm and the terminal length is 33. This is from the base of the plate to the top of the terminal. The element is a 2100 watt. And I'll go into the ohms levels that you should have when testing the element in a second. But we'll just wait for the element to finish a full 360 rotational view so you're able to match it up to your appliance. There are many videos at the website that will show you how to actually fit and test elements and also do fault finding. But this video is just going to quickly show you how to test your existing element. Now if you only have continuity on your meter, then you will just get a beep going across, but this meter has got ohms as well set into it. And as you can see here, we have an ohms reading of about 26.2, 26.3. Using Ohm's law calculator, you would be able to establish the wattage of the element. This element is a 2100 watt and it is actually manufactured at 230 volts, meaning it can operate between 220 and 240 volts depending on where you are in the world. If you have earth leakage, which means you may be tripping your RCD, then you would need a mega or insulation tester to be able to test this.
Elements only become faulty for 2 reasons. The first reason is an element may have earth leakage, meaning that you are tripping the RCD supply in the house when you turn the cooker on. The second reason is an element may become open circuit, meaning it's no longer able to produce heat. Now, if your element goes on a regular basis, every 6 months or so, you want to make sure that you have checked the fan motor as well. Because if the fan motor is not running at the correct speed, the element might get too hot in one location and cause it to burn out. If you're still having trouble finding the correct element for your cooker or oven, enter the brand and the model number into the search facility at the website. If that doesn't work, go to the Contact Us page at the website, fill out your brand, model and serial number, and the type of part you're looking for, or the fault you have that you need assistance with. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.